Well, it's not very often that you actually see a Cooper's hawk show up in your bird bath outside the patio window, which is why when I was lucky enough to start making this video, I decided to go ahead and put the whole 5 minutes or so of it up on YouTube, just so you could see the whole thing. This bird was actually taking a bath before I started taking the video. I do shoot all my bird stuff in slow motion, however. This was going on a whole lot faster than it looks like. My camera is a Nikon P900, and I love it for video. The slow motion allows me to actually see things that I wouldn't otherwise be able to see. So I'll just shut up and let you watch the bird. It's going to stand there for a while before deciding it needs some additional bathing. And of course, when you're shooting through the patio window, you don't have a whole lot of option relative to focus and lighting and what have you. I don't know what it's looking for. Maybe some lunch. When the Cooper hawk shows up, the rest of our bird fauna tends to sort of disappear. Okay, going to try it again. So if you ever need another 5 minutes or so of a Cooper's hawk taking a bath, this one is at your disposal up on YouTube. I resisted putting an advertisement for my books up at the end like I normally do on these videos, but my website is there in the last end video. One time several years ago, we had another Cooper's hawk that took a bath in our bird bath. And I think I captured that also on video, or at least took some pictures. Almost there. Okay, one last yawn before we take off. Goodbye. Thanks, folks.